What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I've been getting a lot of questions on how I do my puff. So usually I'll do my puff on day 3, 4, or 5 hair, mainly because my roots will be stretched out, and my curls will be on its last little straw, and maybe I don't want to do my hair that day. I'm pretty lazy with my wash days or whatever, so we're gonna be doing a puff today. And I got asked to do some styles with the Eco Gold, so I am gonna use the Eco Gold to style. You will need a stretched out headband. The ones that are really new are too tight and they hurt and they start pulling your hair up towards, so try to stretch this one out. So for me to stretch mine out, usually I'll put it on my knees and just sit with it for a while, but you can put it on your arms and sit with it for a while like that. It's not gonna hurt you at all, but I do stretch mine out so that it does not hurt me or my hair. You will also need a brush and a toothbrush to slick your edges and your hair down. I also use, well, you also need a water bottle. I'm using olive oil and water. I started putting olive oil back in my water bottle recently instead of just using water, because I want oils. Oils are good. So I'm gonna spray around the perimeter of my hair and pull up as I do it to kind of like stretch the edges towards the bun area or the puff area. And I like to really wet it so that I get a lot of slip, and then I'll just go and slightly like massage my hair so it gets all the water in. And I'm doing this on day 2 hair, so y'all know I love y'all. So now I'm gonna get a generous amount of the Eco Gold gel, and I tried to show y'all the gold gel in the review and it didn't show, so here's what it looks like. It is thick. Oh my god. And usually I part my hair. I like parts in my puffs. That's why my puffs usually look a little different from most. And I'm just gonna smooth it in. Then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to start going in the way that my hair is already set for the style that I styled it for the week, which for a day, since this is day 2 hair. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll double this up around my neck, and the way that I slide mine up is just so that I don't mess up anything that I've done. So I'll slide it up slightly in the front and then slide it up in the back afterwards. Shake my hair out. And then I'm gonna smooth everything with my toothbrush, including the front of my hair. And as you can see, I'm kind of following it with my fingers also to help smooth it down some more. Alright, and that's basically how I do my puff. My puff is gonna grow over the day, like I told y'all. Probably within like the next 15 to 30 minutes it's gonna grow, and it'll be like my regular puff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For all of you that asked for this video, I hope this is what you wanted. If not, let me know. But that's what I use. A oversized headband. Make sure it's stretched so it doesn't pull your hair out. If you want a side part or anything, obviously a comb. This is how I usually style my puffs, with a side part, because that's just me. I like that. That's different. I've always had that. I have a tutorial on that when my hair was a lot shorter, so if you want to see that, I also have that linked. I did use the Eco Gold today, along with some water and olive oil, and a toothbrush and a soft bristle board brush. This is the Evolve number 575, just in case anybody wants to know. So hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and like this video if you want more like it. Alright y'all, I'll see y'all in my next video.